What's up guys? All good? My name is Jack. In this video I will tell you everything you need to know about the Mitolyn before you buy the product. I also have some important warnings for you, so it's extremely important that you watch this video until the end so you don't lose your money. The first point of attention is, be careful with the website where you are going to buy the product, because today this product is only sold on the official website. So to help you, I left the official website link below in the video description and also in the first comment. I'm here in the corner of the screen doing this review to tell you my experience and help you know if the Mitolyn works. What is Mitolyn? Mitolyn is a cutting-edge dietary supplement formulated to support weight loss and overall health by enhancing mitochondrial function. Mitochondria are often referred to as the powerhouses of our cells, responsible for converting nutrients into energy. A decline in mitochondrial function can lead to weight gain, fatigue, and a host of other health issues. Mitolyn addresses this by utilizing a proprietary blend of 6 exotic ingredients known to promote healthy mitochondrial levels, ultimately aiding in more efficient fat burning and energy production. Manufactured in the USA with high-quality, non-GMO ingredients, Mitolyn is designed to be an integral part of a healthy lifestyle. The supplement comes in easy-to-swallow capsules, making it accessible to a wide range of users. It is not just aimed at those looking to lose weight. Mitolyn also targets individuals seeking to improve their energy levels, enhance physical performance, and boost overall well-being. With a money-back guarantee, users can try Mitolyn risk-free, allowing them to experience its benefits without financial concerns. Are there side effects to Mitolyn? Mitolyn is formulated with natural ingredients and is generally considered safe for most users. However, as with any dietary supplement, there may be potential side effects. Some individuals may experience mild digestive discomfort, such as bloating or gas, especially when first starting the supplement. It is advisable to start with a lower dose and gradually increase it to allow the body to adjust. Additionally, users who are sensitive to caffeine or stimulants should carefully review the ingredient list, as some components may have mild stimulant effects. Pregnant or nursing women, as well as individuals with underlying health conditions or those taking medications, should consult with a healthcare professional prior to starting any new supplement regimen. Overall, while side effects are relatively rare, being aware of your body's response to Mitolyn is essential. If you experience any adverse reactions, it is recommended to discontinue use and consult a healthcare provider for guidance. By taking these precautions, users can safely enjoy the benefits of Mitolyn while minimizing the risk of side effects. Who makes Mitolyn? Mitolyn is produced by a reputable company dedicated to creating high-quality dietary supplements. The brand is committed to using premium ingredients sourced from trusted suppliers, ensuring that each product meets stringent quality standards. By manufacturing in the USA, Mitolyn adheres to strict regulations and safety protocols, providing customers with confidence in the products they consume. The team behind Mitolyn consists of experts in nutrition and wellness, who have carefully formulated the product to maximize its effectiveness for weight management and overall health. Their commitment to transparency and customer satisfaction is evident in the detailed information provided about the ingredients and benefits of Mitolyn. This dedication to quality and efficacy has contributed to the positive reputation of Mitolyn within the weight loss supplement market. Users can trust that they are purchasing a product developed by knowledgeable professionals who prioritize health and well-being.